Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we will be looking at the BTC price action and we do a multiple time frame analysis. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. So the market at the moment is in panic mode, where the market is just eagerly waiting what's going to be the decision of the FOMC by the Fed. However, as I always mention, that you have to pay attention less to these scenarios. Obviously, in today's meeting, we may have some sort of effect to the market in a traditional as well as in crypto market because of what we've seen in the recent few weeks, the Russia and Ukraine issue. However, I'll tell you one thing, that the crypto as well as the legacy markets are below the resistance. We are at a major resistance levels, and without breaking those levels, it really doesn't matter whatever the decision is going to be, you won't be able to take a long. However, breaking that level, it's going to give a long opportunity. And in today's episode, we're going to discuss those levels. Starting from a weekly time frame. Based on a weekly time frame, as you remember, 44,000, 45,000 are extremely important levels. However, below those levels, we're going to be inside the consolidation level. Once we entered with the 17th of January, this red candle, we entered into the consolidation zone, and based on a lower time frame, we're in a range at this stage. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, 40,000, 39,000 levels are extremely important. That's going to give us a weak bullish signal. However, at the moment, we're again rejecting right from $42,000. As I said in the previous videos, 42,000 claiming, and the next level is going to be 45 and 46,000 levels. But following, if we're going to break this level, that you can see clear rejections right from $45,000, $46,000 that we had, higher time frame, mid time frame, the Fibonacci levels, twice we got rejection, and the price action sent right back into this major support level, which was around $33,000 and $34,000. Based on a daily time frame, as you remember, once we lost $60,000 and $59,000, perfect retest, we ended up right inside the major support level, which I was talking about, that on the 24th of February, that early morning, Russia started invading in the Ukraine, and I was expecting that this level is going to hold, and we're going to be facing again right to the resistance levels at around 45 and 45,500 levels. And as you can see, we printed a lower high structure. We got rejection right from the 618, the golden pocket. And from the initial dump from 59,000, 59,500 all the way to this major support, we saw 45% dump in the market, with the current price action without getting an exit signal, 31%, 30% dump in the market. If you're doing a leverage, you do the math for yourself. 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. We've got an interesting scenario based on a 4-hour time frame. This is the local Fibonacci level. Yesterday, we've got perfect rejection right from 382 and the mirror image of the 618 and 33, the levels. To the dollar, we've got rejection. And at the same time, we had very strong the resistance level, which I've been talking about in the last nearly 2 weeks. As you can see, perfect rejection right from 33. And then the next one, right now we closed another candle right below the lower line of this resistance, which confluence with a 382 Fibonacci level. 4-hour time frame, as I said, without breaking this level, ideally 42,000, 41,500, claim it as a support or clean breakout. It is going to be so early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. And still, with yesterday's pump, all the way from, as you can see, we got stuck, as I showed in the previous one, perfect retest of 61867, and we started pumping last night. And the market started a bit excited, and I was showing this confluence as well, where you had horizontal resistance plus 382, the important local Fibonacci level. At the same time, you've got this the Gann fan as well acting heavier resistance, and as a result we send right back into the lower line of this resistance. If we're going to analyze the current condition 4-hour time frame under the bear's control, but trying to move on to the consolidation level, however, losing this level, which is at the moment is just giving a bearish signal, losing this level as well as the 618, highly likely in the first place, as I said in the last video, we will test this support level. We might go into this major support and we can take this low and create an SFP in the coming days. That's going to be at around 33,250, 32,400 and $500. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about the bullish scenario, but breaking this level, claim it as a support, as I said, the next resistance levels are going to be $45,000 and $46,000. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, we do not have a bullish signal. However, once we cleared this resistance, it is acting as a support at the moment. 2-hour time frame moved towards the bullish territory. However, we don't have a confirmation yet in the next 12 to 24 hours if we're going to claim this level as a support, and if we're going to manage to stay above this level at around $40,000, 2-hour will provide us a bullish signal. Otherwise, imminent danger and dump is on the way. If we're going to lose the upper line as well as this support, highly likely, as I said, we're going to be ending up in this must-hold support, which is $37,000, followed by the $36,000. However, staying above, claim it as a support, or clean breakout the 382 will provide us a bullish signal. So at the moment, as you can see, perfect rejection, another rejection. The resistance levels are acting perfect alongside with the Gann fan as well as with the Fibonacci levels. So the levels are clear and we're in a no man's land. You have to be careful with those levels. Breaking the resistance will provide a long setup. However, breaking 39,000 and 39,500 levels will provide a short setup all the way up to $36,000 in the first place. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.